What's up gamers? I'm here sa NBA 2K. Kuha tayo ng video about Golden State. Yes, I'm going to make content about NBA 2K25 Golden State Warriors. Wow! Isa na yung mga ganun. Okay na yan. Alam? Ko naman papakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Sa regular season, wala tayo babaguhin dyan. Okay na yan. Wala. Challenge natin is marirebuild natin ang Golden State. Dapat marirebuild ko ang Golden States. Ngayon, wait lang guys. So, papakita ko muna yung roster. So, ito yung roster as of now. Okay. Wait lang, parang may mali. Wait lang guys. Tapos, yan. Dapat ganyan yung position niya. Dapat ganyan yung position ni Draymond. Naka power forward. Tapos si Butler small forward. Okay na ako dito. Kay Kuminga. What? Susunod na content natin guys. What if si Steph Curry naman? Wait, ano bang ano niya? Wow! Okay, hindi natin papalitan yan. Wala tayong papalitan for today's vid. Okay, so ang ating current lineup ay Curry, point guard, shooting guard, Podziemski, Butler, Draymond, Jackson Davis, Kuminga, Gary Payton. So I want something good, bro. Want something good. 10-man rotation. What if 11 man na lang? Kasi it's just okay. Supposed okay. Ba't di maglalaro to? Dapat maglalaro yan. Wag na natin lagyan. Sobrang ng minuto niyan. So first game of the day. So sa first game natin, okay. Panalo tayo. Curry with 43. What? Seryoso ba to? NBA 2K? Seryoso to 2K? 43 in his first game? Wow. That's crazy. Minga back kung nanonood ka. Baka ano. Okay. 30 minutes for Curry. 26, 29. Okay. Kuminga 25 minutes. That's a good. So, tignan natin hanggang November. Wait. Dati kung makapag-trade tayo. Galit ako dito. Gusto maglaro dito. Ngayon natin to. Ay, wag. Tagal masyado. Ala. At least 8 minutes. Galit ako dito eh. Wait lang. Tignan muna natin hanggang November. Eto, hanggang ano. Wow. Win streak, bro. Okay. Natalo tayo dito. Bakit? Sabihin nyo sa akin bakit 10 2K. Ba't tayo natalo sa Rockets? Tinalo lang natin yan nung ano. Kailan ba yun? Last playoffs. 4-3. Pinainit lang kayo. Kaya kayo nanalo. Ano? Why am I keep saying that thing, bro? Okay. Let's go. Go. Simcast na lang. Baka matalo Uy, nanalo pa kami sa first quarter, guys, oh. Curry with 18, 4 of 8 sa 3-point line. Shit. Oh my goodness. Podziemski, wow. Podziemski. Ano yan? Nalinis SGA? SGA, oh my god. 32 points, 10 and 7. Butler with 27 points, 2 and 7. Wow. Dami yung turnover. Si Butler lang wala, oh. Nice. Good play, guys. Good play. So far, so good. Okay. So, as of now, it's 7-1. Titingnan natin ito kung ano. Okay. Wala, talo talaga. Woo, at least 6 lang yung lamang. Garland with 23 points, 24 Mitchell, 19 for Mobley. Partida maalat pa sa tres to. Tapos si Curry ang ano. Oh my god, 3 of 3 on 3s. Grabe naman yun. SGA. May SGA na rin kasi kami. Ha? Curry. Si Podziemski mo. Podziemski kanina. Ah, guys. Podziemski with 10 of 12 sa free throw line. Isipin mo si Butler 27. Ito na, ito na. Moment of truth. Dito tayo nagkakaanuhan eh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Podziemski 21. Curry 10. Ilang points per game na to? Si Curry, 9 points lang. Nice, okay lang. 26 points per game pa rin. Okay pa rin. Okay. 114 to 105. Grabe nga yan. Podziemski with 21. Butler with 21. 15 points per game. Parang unfair nun kasi si Podziemski na most yun ang nagbubuhat. Wow. Wow. Curry with 20 points, 3 rebounds, 9 assists. Okay, 28 for Kuminga. Okay. Basta we will rebuild this team right now, guys. Hanggang siguro January 1, guys. Okay, guys. So, as of January 1, we are 22 and 10. Number 2 sa standings. Wow. Sumusunod sa atin si Wemby. Wemby Nyama. Malay nyo mamaya makuha natin si Wemby, guys. So, titignan muna natin sino yung nanghihina. Kasi may 10 loss tayo eh. Okay, so ito yung mga candidates for MVP. As of now, tignan natin sino mga nanghihina. Ay, mali. Uy! Ano na lang. Yun na lang muna ang lineup natin hanggang January 11. What? Ano ba nagbago? Okay. Eh, yun pa rin talaga. Wala na magagawa. Di natin alam sino ito trade. Let's make some trade. Pag natalo tayo dito, we will make some trade. Okay, natalo tayo. So, we will make some trade. Siguro si Kuminga sa Mahmoudi. Sinong pwede natin ma-trade? Actually, pwede natin kunin to si si Kelly Oubre. Pero kasi naging player na yun ng Golden States nun. Tapos wala. Okay. Ty Jerome, Max Strus for just Jonathan Kuminga with 6'7", 6'5". Basta na tayo liliit pala. Pwede sana kasi mas lalo tayo liliit. Parang hindi naman natin kailangan ng point guard. Clint Capela. Goods ba to, guys? Tingin nyo. Thumbs up pag hindi. Okay. Ay, thumbs down. Joke lang. Okay, mag-thumbs down, guys. Mark Williams. I don't know what to do. Okay, so si Mark Williams. Ooh, we can have a great center. We can have a great shooter with Jordan Clarkson on our team or on the board. Pero hindi. Ooh! Di ba ito yung gusto ng Warriors ngayon? Si Keegan Murray. Tara, kunin na natin. Tapos may Devin Carter. Let's go. Good trade to, bo. Good trade to, boy. Okay. Kaso, okay lang. Kailangan natin ng isang shooter. Si Buddy Hield na doon. Trade natin yung guys. Ito lang Draymond Green. Oh, wait. And someone great talaga sa shooting. Oh, that. Drew time. Grabe nga yun. Zeke Naji. TJ McConnell is he that good? Oh, Jordan Hawkins is actually good. If you want. But nah. Oh, Malik Beasley is good though. Oh. Kuha na natin to, guys. Tapos, sa body siguro. Oh, body heal. Pero, most likely, I wanna get... Hindi muna tayo magcha-champion yung season, guys. Pangako ko sa inyo, magcha-champion tayo next season. In 3 years, pag wala tayong championship. Ewan ko. Kasi doon ko tatapusin yung video na to. 3 years tayo. Magre-rebuild ng Golden State Warriors. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Ano na tayo magagawa? Okay lang. As of now, 36 and 17. Not bad, bro. Not bad, bro. It's good. Good. I think it's still good. Okay. Draymond Curry, okay, wala. Wala naman tayo. Wala naman maganda. Ang i-stay lang siguro natin guys si ano, Quinton Post, tsaka si Brandon Podjamski kasi kukuha pa tayo ng mga players. With what the hell is happening, bro? 53 and 21 nasa first tayo, bro. What? What in the world was that? Oh, wait. Wait. 61 and 21 tayo, 58 and 23. Oh my goodness. Number 1 tayo sa West. Let's go. Joe Mazzulla. Tapos Executive of the Year. Julio Stewart. Ano ko pre? Ba't ganyan? Wala man lang first, second, third team. Defensive. Or rookie. Wala nang tayo nag-rookie kasi. Okay, first game sa New Orleans Pelicans. So, si Keegan Murray, DeJounte Murray, CJ McCollum, Trey Murphy, tsaka Zion Williamson. So, as of now, kailangan natin sa baba. At this 9-man rotation is good enough, bro. Huwag ka na Terrence Davis. Si Devin Carter, huwag na muna yan. Bahala sa buhay niya. 8-man rotation lang tayo. Okay, let's go. Let's take a OMG. Nag-overtime. Panalo pa rin tayo. 43 from Curry. 32 from Butler. Keegan Murray with 18 points. Draymond Green, 4 blocks. Kaso dami mong turnover. Pero okay lang kasi maganda yung defense ni Draymond. Oh shit. Not bad though. OMG. Oh, 4-point lead. 4-point lead, bro. What? Natin let's yakit si Keegan Murray sa 29 minutes. Okay. Ala ka. 6-point lead. Okay. 132-118 guys. GG. OMG, 33 from Curry. As of now, sa playoffs, 29.1 points si Butler. 23.4. Oh, not bad. Easy lang yan, bro. Easy lang to, bro. Oh, easy shit, man. Easy. Okay. Ito tayo eh. Dito tayo madadali siguro. Baka ito na yung mandaglag sa atin, guys. First game, wow. Second game, wow, goes to us. Third game, goes to them. Fourth game, goes to us. Wow. We should go simulcast na. Gusto nila. Ayaw nila eh. Ayan. Wow. 28-point lead. Keegan Murray, what a carry, bro. What a carry by Keegan Murray. Wala. Tambak ang Grabe, Hello? 39 Curry. Kanina 8 Nasa... Basta yun. Okay. Tingnan natin to guys ah. Oh my... 2K, are you serious right now? First year pa lang magkakampin na sila. What? What? 4-2. Nako. It's James Harden and Kawhi. Eto. Jalen Brunson, Mikal Bridges. Okay. Warrior. Okay. So, ano, Clippers goes to 1. Game 2 goes to the Warriors. So, Curry with 25. Hard carry, bro. Game 3 goes to Clippers. With the Kawhi, hard carry na naman. Okay. Fourth game goes to Clippers. Ah, ito na. Okay. Ito na tayo. Wait lang. Ayaw ba? Ayaw mo ba? Up na Butler to. Ah, kaya pala. Itang, hindi nyo nakita yun guys ah. Hindi nyo nakita yun. Dapat hindi kayo may injured. Walang injury for today's video. Okay. Okay. 32. Good run. 11 kay Curry. Curry. Let's go. Let's freaking go, bro. Curry. Ay. Butler. Butler again. 2 points, Curry. Are you serious in the playoffs? Wow. Butler hard carry 33 points, 6 assists, 1 block. Wow. Wow. Very good, Butler. You're so good. OMG, what happened, bruh? Wow. Curry and Butler making the team. Wow. Oh no! Natalo tayo. Wait, ano nangyari? 32 Curry, 23 with Butler. What just happened, bro? Okay. But Harden wins the finals. Okay. Celtics goes to 1, goes to 2, goes to 3, and wow. Goes to 4. Speak. Golden State gets Cooper Flag from Duke University. Wow, Dylan Harper. Angas. Okay na. We got Cooper Flag already. Wag na kayo. Ay, teka lang. So, anong ano dyan? Jonathan Kumengano. Wait. So, anong kailangan ko ng center actually. And something like your Urkic. Okay. Got some, we need something like shooting guard. Catch in the flag. O, yan. First game, syempre simulate. Curry with 30. Wow. Cooper Flag, taasan mo ng konti. Yan. Okay. Nuggets, tanga. Okay, let's go. Punta na tayo sa ating Jimmy Butler, Keon Ellis for J-Sox. Puta, tagal. Unti-unting nalalabi, tagumpay ko'y na. I'm broken down. I'm getting timber. You better move. You better dance. Just take a knife. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. 31-17 at pang-apat tayo sa pwesto. Okay. Wala na tayong magagawa. Okay, ito na yan. Sa last ilang years na lang ba? 37 pa naman si Curry. Wait lang. Dapat dito siya ay, ito si Podziemski na lang. Bakit agad-agad nag... Oh my God. Kaya pala puro injury prone naman pala itong mga to. May. Okay lang. 41 and 25. Not bad. Yun! Nanalo. Second na tayo. Cooper Flag is the Rookie of the Year. Anthony Simons, Sixth Man of the Year. Another Wemby, Defensive MVP. Wow. Most Improved Player of the Year. Cade Cunningham is your Clutch Player of the Year. Okay. Okay lang. Super Flag lang talaga eh. Ha? Ewan ko, ba't may mga ganun minsan? Oo. Baka napipindot mo. Okay, guys. 9-man rotation. Ito, okay. Ito na naman. New Orleans na naman kalaban. Oh my God, sino players na ngayon? Jordan Hawkins, Trey Murphy, Zion Williamson, Walker Kessler. Cooper Flag ang nadagdag sa amin. Bakit? Wow. They take game 1 again. We take game 2. We take game 3. They take game 4. Okay. Pinahirapan tayo ngayon. Ay, hindi. Ganun din pala kanina. 21 for kay Curry. Ay, kay... Ano, pangalan yan? Wait, what the hell? 19.6? At, wow. Siya na yung star player na yan. Game 6 goes to us. Okay, ito na naman. Si Anthony Edwards naman. Ano na. Game 1 goes to us. Game 2 goes to us. Game 3 goes to them. Game 4 goes to us. Wow. Game 5 goes to us. Wow. Ang galing. Okay. SGE kalaban. Okay. Game 1 goes to us. Game 2 goes to them. Game 3 goes to them. 4 goes to them. Oh my God. Okay. Game 5 goes to us. Stomach virus? May ganun ba? Ba't walang minuto to? Ano yan? Sira ulo sa Steve Kerr, no? Ba't kaya wala yung minuto? Al Horford. Dapat nga may minuto yun eh. Grabe to. 28 kay Curry, 16 kay Flag, Glenn Murray 10. And 10 post. Good job! Game 7. Game 7, Game 7. Okay, panalo na to guys. SGA lang yun eh. Wala na to. Oh my God. What? Rookie season with your conference finals MVP? Nakakaw mo na naman. Wait lang. Okay lang yan. So, Keegan Murray pa nga ano. Okay. Game 1 goes to us. Green with 9 points, 1 of 7, 6 of 9. Cooper Flag, 19. Pajemski, 15. Okay. Game 2 goes to us. Game 3 goes to them. Game 2 for goes to them. Game 5 goes to us. Game 6. Game 6 Curry. Oh shoot. Steph Curry is your finals MVP. Curry will be at the 5 championship. As you can see, he got 5 NBA championship, 2 MVP, 2 finals MVP at this thing. And 11 All-Star. Nathan. Maglalaro pa ba siya? Wow. Thank you. Mas kagad. Okay. Ito na tayo sa ano guys. Actual game. Let's go. Unti-unting nalalapit natin, makuha natin. Makakuha tayong ano. Legit star player. Trade natin. Let's make a trade for Cooper Flag and Butler. Since last season na rin naman. We are going to trade for Giannis, for Cooper Flag. Ano ba? Problema. Hard cap room. Cooper Flag. Wait lang. Si the helicopter. Giannis will take care of it. Giannis 11, 13, 5. Last season, so last chance na dapat mag-champion si Steph at Butler. Si Butler nabigyan na natin dahil kay Cooper Flag. Hindi na ko lang, pwede naman magdaya dito eh. So, injured na naman si Butler. Umay sa'yo Butler. It's Curry Giannis doon na naman dol. Uy, din dito sa Lakers. Wow. Giannis 15 na. Parang bumaba yung stats mo. Ano yan? Ano ka ba, boy? 2.6. Hindi mo natin nakita buong niya. Naman natin. 49 and 14 guys. Na season na to eh. Bakit pa? Wemby wins your MVP. 6 player of the year. Jarvis Walker. Defensive player. Grabe, puro ano siya MVP. No MVP ka na meron ha. Yun, Giannis. Nagkaroon din tayo, men. Okay. First, ito pa din. Hindi na kayo umalis sa ano. Hanggang first round lang. First round exit, Giannis versus the New Orleans Pelicans. Kaya talaga boss. Gusto ko 10-man rotation. Yan. Kaya GG na kayo per 6-man rotation lang kami. OMG. 20 points per Giannis. OMG. Na-sweep. Lagi kasing Warriors katapat. Ayaw nyo umalis eh. Hindi kayo maka-second round. Game 1 goes to us. Ito Memphis Grizzlies. Who's their players right now, bro? Ja Morant, Isaiah Joe, DeAndre Hunter, Gigi Jackson, tsaka Zach Edey. Wala, easy sweep bro. Easy sweep. Ha. Okay. Jamal Sheed. Hindi ko naman basa dyan. Jalen Green. Dylan Brooks. Jabari Smith, Sengun. Okay. Easy sweep. Tsaka lang. Huwag na natin i-sweep. Baka mamaya kawawa naman sila. Huwag na. Sabi sa'yo, hindi masasweep eh. Game 6. 33.8 points. Curry. Seryoso ba, Lods? 29.3. Bakit talaga ito? Sana fine. At nga, tignan niya natin. Game 1, 32. Game 3, Game 2, 36. 3, 32. 45. 26. At 32. Okay. Finals. Curry goes 27. 27 the first game. Second game, Curry goes 16. Third game, Curry goes 22. Fourth game, Curry goes 35. Fifth game, Curry goes, hindi ko nakita, 21. Wala. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating video na pagre-rebuild kay Golden State. Next time naman, kung sino-sino. Diba guys? Make sure, kung gusto niyo pa manood ng ganito, make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Kasi magpo-post pa ako ng mga ganun karaming videos. If ever, ibang game naman, diba? Okay. Bye guys, bye bye. Ay, pangit. Bye bye.